All right, working on my Xiaomi front seat belts. So the one that has the retractor on it, which is this one here, goes on the door side, and the other one with the belt goes on the firewall side. And then we've got our little boot cover for the one here, and then we've got our screws. One here. Here, a little different. Okay, that's one for the tractor belt at door. That's the other one. Okay. Okay, so for the one at the door, I cleaned these up a little bit. They're still a little dingy. But I did get some little bit of lubrication, and I did put it in here. There's some spring and swivel in there, so it works pretty good. It returns. And then this side goes against the carpet, and then this side where the bolt goes. Okay. Put this in over here. All right, I'm gonna leave that loose enough, just enough so that it can be a little adjustable. You don't need to crank on these. All right, and then we'll do this one here. Okay, so the belt goes in this position as it's on your lap. Okay, so you want flat, so like that. Spin up. Okay, so now we know the position of this, and then we got to put this in there. Okay, we'll flip that sucker around. Go as you pull all the way through, like that. Okay, and then you might get your bolt in. Sorry. Like that. So we don't tighten it yet because we got to get this thing installed. So you got to be able to get your wrench in there to get that tightened. Okay, once you get that nice and snug, then you start pulling your slack. Okay, there you go. Okay, make sure you got it in right, coming up. Okay, presto. Good to go. All right, so I'm gonna do this other one. All right. There we go. I just piled that up nice. Okay. And that's pretty much it for the front seat belts. Of course, the backs are already in. And now I'm going to start working on the seats, make them look nice, and then work on the back panels, stuff like that. So miscellaneous stuff, but seatbelts are in.